Hey everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to make creamy garlic salmon and I'm so excited to cook because I'm gonna use my new pan. So, I just watched it in YT and I saw na ang bilis niya lang gawin. So first, iprito lang natin siya sa mantika na may konting butter. So around 4 minutes, baliktaran na po yan, 2 minutes each side. And ginamit po natin yung salmon na wala na pong is it balat or scale, since ganyan na po namin siya nabili sa Walmart. And I'm glad kasi kailangan talaga tanggal yung scale sa ganitong recipe. So hintayin lang natin siya maluto. And this is my first time cooking salmon na ganitong recipe because last time I just fried it and then sausaw sa, bagoong. O, diba? Weird. So, ayan po, malapit na po maluto and make sure na hindi siya mabali. Pangit ang kanyang kalalabasan pag nabali. And after that, hinugasan ko lang yung aking pan and then, maglalagay ulit tayo ng mantika, butter, and garlic. Because again, it's garlic salmon. Charot. Kailangan talaga ng garlic, lasa. And para mas mabango, mas may aroma. Well, tapos gumamit tayo ng cherry tomato and then spinach. So, halu-haluin lang natin yung ating spinach. And then, lagyan natin ng asin, paminta, and then konting betchin. Yes, I use betchin. Konti lang, super konti lang. And after that, ilagay na natin yung ating heavy whipped cream. Then, added our parmesan. So, maraming parmesan para mas malasa. And, to be honest, this is my first time using the Bel Joyoso, if I'm not mistaken kung ganun yung pronunciation niya. At sobrang malasa talaga siya. Ang sarap niya. We usually use yung ibang brands ng parmesan. But this one, talagang super sarap and creamy. It's cheesy. So anyway, nag-add pa ako ng powdered parmesan. Sobrang dami talagang parmesan nilagay ko. Kasi ang sarap ng parmesan. And then, we added our salmon and then ang fresh parsley. So ganun lang. Maya-maya luto na yan. And sobrang dali lang talaga niya lutuin. It will not take so much of your time. So ayan lang. That's it. Okay na to.